tak hak Jingujor ya ke boarding.
Hadien belayo ke Jingujor ki bor penyak distrik jong ke East KHASI Hills ne ke sengi kila penmi ya ke hukum ban Khang Pyrshah halo ke jinglum Khajna da ke Hima Sohra ne ki trok ki barung Shamajai Land Custom Station na ke benta ban Shalan Mar. Deputy Commissioner ke East KHASI Hills SC Sadhu Ulaong bakila don ki kenram ha ka balahap ban penmi ya ke ne ke hukum. Halo ke hukum jong ke Meghalaya High Court jong snem ajar RPR DC Ulaong melada ke High Court ke syak ban lum Khajna nagi kerdop lum Khajna da ke Hima Sohra kane kamut ba kinu ki brio kin penyat ya ki jakal lum Khajna ki la ban le kat ba ki mon klem da yo ya ke jingbet ke babiang.
We have got complaints from different quarters, particularly, and there is a disturbance of law and order in that particular area due to this export and the collection of the illegal toll by the people over there. So that's why we had to issue this order to stop it, to further particularly concerning the law and order. But if they have any concerns about this order, they can always approach this office, so that we will study it, we will take appropriate measures. But in that aspect, they did not come to our office so far.
Ki nongelam keseng HYC